This is the NT65GB 16-gauge angled gas finish nailer. This nailer is powered by a 3.6 volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which slips in the handle, and a small gas fuel rod, which goes in the top of the tool. You just pop it in, close it, and you're ready to go. Now this means you don't need any cumbersome hoses or compressors or anything, so you're free to go anywhere on the job site. You're not tied to anything, and it really makes this tool incredibly versatile and useful. The lithium-ion battery will drive up to 2,000 nails per charge, and typically a gas fuel rod will last for up to 1,200 nails. Located on the side of the magazine is a small indicator light. This flashes green when your battery is charged and ready to go. As the battery drains, this indicator light will start to flash red. This way you know that your battery is running low and you need to replace it. At only 4 pounds, this nailer is incredibly lightweight. It has an angled magazine that holds 100 nails and accepts 1 1/4 to 2.5 inch brads. It's compact, lightweight, easy to maneuver, which means you're going to have less fatigue, and it can go anywhere. The soft grip handle is very comfortable. It gives you great balance on the tool and allows you for all-day comfort when you're using this tool. It also features a toolless depth adjustment, so you can fine-tune how far the fastener is going into the workpiece. Another great feature is the dry fire lock. This means when you've used your last nail, the tool will no longer fire, preventing dry fires, which will make the tool last a lot longer. When it comes time to charge your battery, it's supplied with a small lithium-ion charger, which comes both with an AC and DC adapter. What this means is you can charge this tool on the job site, even if you don't have power to the house yet, or wherever you're working. You can charge it in your truck, your car, or anywhere. It's incredibly mobile and allows this tool to go absolutely anywhere. The whole package comes in this convenient carrying case, which everything neatly fits into. This finish nailer can be used just like any traditional finish nailer. You're going to be able to take this around the house using it for molding, crown molding, chair rails, anywhere where you need a small fastener that can be easily concealed. Whether you're finishing a punch list or just doing some remodeling, this tool will do the job. And the tool offers a 1-year professional warranty, so you know that this tool will last. It's incredibly versatile and really great value.